Most of us, we do have a purpose in our life. What do I mean by purpose? Purpose is that goal that you set for yourself. Guys, we just are passing by this new year 2021 and it just started and it's just the second month of the new year, right? So I think most of us, we do have a goal that by the end of 2021, maybe I want to 10x the account balance that I have today. Or maybe in the next 3 months, or the next 6 months, I want to have this body that I ever dreamed of. Yes, your dream body I'm talking about. But what about how to get that 10x account balance, or how to get that lean body or the dream body that you're talking about in the next 6 months? Just having a purpose or just having the goals is not going to get you there, right? And don't you worry, I'm not going to talk about the action plan today. Yes, we need to have an action plan, but I think everything starts with one step at a time. And today, this video is about exactly that one step at a time. And guys, I'm talking about habits. Now, when I say habit is your daily routine that you do. Habit is what time you get up in the morning, or what is your routine for whatever stuff you do, right? But have you ever thought about this? Are your habits in alignment with the purpose that you have given yourself, with the goal that you have decided to achieve? What are the habits you need to have if you want to have that 10x account balance by end of the 2021? Or what are the habits that you need to have in the next 6 months so that you can achieve your dream body? Or what are that habits that maybe you right now you're working 9 to 6 and you're like, hey, you know what, I'm done replying to my boss, I'm done reporting to my boss, and I want to start my own business. But what are the habits that you need to develop or you need to have so that you can grow or you can start your own business? Yes, guys, today's video is all about habits. Now, most of us, what we think is that there are good habits and there are bad habits. But guys, let me give you this confirmation forever. And I want you guys to mark this here forever, that there is nothing as such of good habits and bad habits. Habits are customized, habits are changed according to the purpose you want to achieve, according to the goal you want to achieve. So I've heard recently that there are so many people having the, getting up early club or something like that. But guys, is that so? Is only getting up early getting you to the habit or to the goal that you want to achieve? Now let's talk about this person. For example, let's talk about this one person that she or he is working like 9 to 6 job, and she says, you know what, I'm getting into this digital business, so I need to work extra hours after my office hours. Now she works till 12 a.m., 2 a.m., and then she's like, you know what, I get so exhausted that I cannot get up in the morning. But this late working hour habit that she has just developed or he has just developed is actually aligned with her goal, right? So exactly, guys, what I'm trying to tell you here, or what I am actually telling you here, is develop habits one step at a time which help you to achieve your goals. Now, what if you want to achieve your dream body in the next 6 months? So I think the first step ever that you can ever think is, I need to start exercising every day. Then comes that, oh, what exercise, or what kind of exercise I need to do. Oh, do I need to have good nutrition plan or something? So it goes one step at a time, but that first step, that the first habit you have to develop or start getting into that habit is exercising every day. So guys, let me say this again, there are no good habits or bad habits. Some habits can be good for you and bad for others. Some habits can be bad for me and good for you guys. So guys, keep your habits in alignment with what you want to achieve in your life. So start working on it today. Yes, guys, I think the most important thing that I talk in all of my videos is act now. Develop that one habit that is aligned with your goal. Maybe right now, when I'm saying goal, you're already thinking of that one goal that is so important to you, or maybe you just got so inspired by something and that became your aspiration. Start developing that habit right now.